Today, we re-dive into a super important topic for anyone buying or selling property. The guarantee of title. It sounds a bit formal, maybe even a little intimidating. But I promise, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it is, why it matters, and how it protects you. So, whether you're a first-time homebuyer or a seasoned real estate investor, this is for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a guarantee of title? Think of it as a promise, a formal assurance from the seller to the buyer. This promise states that the seller has the legal right to sell the property and that the legal document proving ownership is good and clear. What does good and clear mean? It means there are no hidden claims, liens, or other legal issues that could pop up later and challenge your ownership. Essentially, the seller is guaranteeing that they are the true and sole owner, and they're transferring that clean ownership to you. So, why is this so crucial? Imagine buying your dream home, moving in, and a few months later, you get a notice that there's an old, unpaid construction lien on your property. Or worse, someone comes forward claiming they are a long-lost heir and have a right to the property. These scenarios, often called title defects, can turn your dream into a nightmare, leading to expensive legal battles and potentially even the loss of your home. A guarantee of title is your first line of defense against these kinds of problems. It puts the responsibility squarely on the seller to ensure the title is clean before they hand over the keys. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this what title insurance is for? That's a great question. And it's important to understand the difference. A guarantee of title is a promise from the seller. Title insurance is a policy you purchase from a third-party insurance company, while the guarantee is the seller's personal assurance. Title insurance provides financial protection if a problem with the title is discovered later on, even if the seller was unaware of it. The two work hand in hand. The guarantee establishes the seller's responsibility, and the title insurance provides a financial safety net. Let's look at what a typical guarantee of title clause covers. It usually warrants a few key things. First, that the seller has a fee-simple title, which is the highest form of ownership. Second, it guarantees they have the full right and authority to sell the property. Third, it assures that the property is free from encumbrances like mortgages, liens, or easements except for any that have been specifically disclosed and agreed upon in the purchase contract. For example, a known utility easement would be an exception. This detailed promise is what gives you, the buyer, peace of mind. So, how is this all verified? This is where a title search comes in. Before the sale closes, a title company or an attorney will conduct a thorough search of public records. They'll trace the history of the property's ownership, looking for any red flags. They check for outstanding mortgages, unpaid taxes, legal judgments against past owners, and any other issues that could cloud the title. The results of this search are compiled into a title report. If any issues are found, they must be resolved by the seller before the sale can proceed. This process ensures the seller's guarantee of title is based on fact, not just a hopeful promise. This entire process is designed to protect you, the buyer. Real estate is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and ensuring you have clear and undisputed ownership is non-negotiable. The guarantee of title is a fundamental part of that security. To help you see exactly what this looks like in a real document, I've created a sample template of a purchase agreement that includes a standard guarantee of title clause. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. It is a great educational tool to familiarize yourself with the language you'll encounter in your own real estate journey. Remember, always have a qualified real estate attorney review your specific documents, but this template can give you a fantastic head start. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this cleared up what a guarantee of title is and why it's so important. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.